Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach simple employee search system. Let us show the demo first. Run file. Here is simple one. Here if you select the employee number, relevant employee information will be displayed on the below text boxes. So first I default select as 1. The relevant detail should be displayed, the employee number 1. If you select as 2, the second, third, here it will be, you can check here. Okay, what is the employee number you are selected, according to the detail should be displayed below the text boxes, right, according to the details, right. Okay, selected employee number according to the detail should be displayed on the below text boxes, right. So how to do this system step by step we'll teach. Now first what I am going to do is here, first you have to download the Sqlserver if you are not downloaded, and you have to start the MySQL. So I have already started MySQL. Here you have to click new and you have to create the database, right. I have already created the database Malwa. Inside the Malwa database I have created the table called employee. Employee consists of these columns: employee ID, F name, first name, title, address, city. Okay, these are the columns are there. Okay, very simple. These are the columns are there. This is the structure. Employee ID should be auto incremented. These are the structure. Type int, the varchar, other things also varchar. Okay, so we will be this is the things we have to use to create the database and table, right. So first I am going to create the project. So file, new project, Java application, click next. If it is check create main class, I am trying uncheck it. Here create as here employee details, details. This is the project name. Now first what I am going to do is here, I have created a project name here successfully. This is a source package folder. Here select this one, new JFrame form. Here I am going to create the class name as employee. Click finish. Right. Now your empty form has been created successfully. Now I am going to write the heading of this one. So go to the palette, drag one label over here. This table I am going to give the name as employee details. Select this one again, properties. Here we have to change the font size, bold, width 36. If you want to change the font style, you will be able to change Trojan Pro. Click OK. Right. This is the thing we have to do. Right. Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to drag one panel over here. Select this panel, properties, border. I am going to select a soft bevel border. Click OK. OK. This is the thing we have to do. Okay. Now what I am going to do is here we have to drag the details. Okay, so label, this one should be, we have to change, give the name as employee ID, employee number or ID, you can give any name, employee number. Right, select this one, properties, font property, bold 40. Right, the same thing, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste it. This one should be the name. Same thing, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste it. This one should be the address. Same thing, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V. This one should be the title, employee title. Okay. This is how you have designed. Okay. Instead of drag the labels, you just drag one. After that you have to Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste below and get the copy and change the names only. Okay. Now I am going to drag the text fields, name text. We need name also. We have need a text field. The same text field here also. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste below. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste below. You have to take the copy. That's it. We done the design successfully. This is enough for us. right. Okay, now here I need one combo box. So we need one combo box. Okay, so we have combo box is here, drag here. When you drag the combo box, the item 1 should be these are the default models are there. So select the combo box, right click, properties, these are the models, default models, select this one, backspace to remove, close it, now it's blank, right. So here this change the name, select this one, change variable, you have to give txt emp number, this is the name of the combo box, right, the text box, this is the called as text field, edit text, backspace to remove the existing text, select again, change variable txt name, this one should be txt edit text, backspace to remove, select again, change variable txt address, this one select, edit text, backspace to remove, select again, change variable txt title, present again. Okay, this is perfect, we have done perfectly well. Okay, we done the perfectly well, right. Right, now what I am going to do is here I have to change the color of this one, front color I am going to change, foreground color. So select this one, right click, properties, foreground color I have to make it as this one, red. This one also you have to change, backspace, foreground color red. This one also we have to properties, foreground color, change it as red. Right, perfect. Now we have to this one we have to load the employee number details, right. Before that what I am going to do is here we have to connect MySQL and NetBeans. So how to connect this, we have to download the appropriate driver. So I already taught how to download the MySQL connector. Okay, so if you don't know how to download the MySQL connector, you just go through my previous videos of Java. I have explained lot. Okay, here I already downloaded. Here I already downloaded. Go to the libraries folder. I have select this one. Right click, add jar folder. These are the connectors. Hold on the control key down and select both and open it. It is coming into the libraries folder. Okay. Now you can check it whether it will it successfully coming or not. It will be successfully added into your library folder. Success, right? You in order to connect MySQL, you must add these two jar files. MySQL connected jar file. You must add this jar files in order to connect, right? Okay, success. Now what I am going to load this combo box. So how to load here is, first what I am going to do is here, I already done the code. Go to the source, simple. I am going to this code, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here, right. So here first I am going to add the connection objects. So before that I am going to add this, all the stuff we know needed. Only one line I am going to add that import java dot SQL. We have to put this asterisk marks. All the SQL classes are reside on this asterisk. Okay, you no need to import prepare statement class and connection, all the stuff you no need to write again by again. Here, only if you import this one, it all the coming from the asterisk mean all classes are available. So you can here. Now here we can write connection con. We have to write the object connection con. After that we have to write another object here to create prepare statement. Statement object pst, right. Yes, that's two things we have to write. So now what I am going to do is here, first I have create the method which is a private method. I am going to create as employee ID. This is a method. This method is starting here, closing here. Inside the method, we have to register the MySQL driver. So how to register MySQL driver? Class for name. This is the MySQL driver we have registered. After that, we have to specify the path of the database connection. Your database is reside on MySQL localhost. So you have to write JDBC MySQL localhost, the name, and this is the user credential. The Malwa is my database. Okay, this is when you install your RAM server in your machine for the first time. The default username will be root, password will be blank. So that we have to set it here. If you want to change, you will be able to change your custom username and password. That is your wish. Okay. Now here prepare statement object I have already created above. I get it here, equal connection dot prepare statement. I am going to write the query. I wrote the query over here, right? Select all from employees. Okay, what does here is you have to load all the employee details. You have to load all the employee details. So let's back to our database. Here, go to the browse. Here, these are the information of the employee table. This all the record we have to load it, so that we have to put this asterisk. Okay, select all from employee table. Okay, we have to load all the information from employee table. After that, we have to create the object of result set object rs pst dot execute query. Mean this all the queries we have to execute. Okay, we have loaded. Now here we have to pass into where this combo box. So what is the name here? We have given txt employee number. So Control C to copy this name, go to the source, we have to enter here. So here employee number dot remove all item, mean if there are any items are there, it will be automatically removed. That's why you have to put it like this. Okay. After that, we have to put the we already execute the query of this one. We have to put the while loop and load. Okay, while loop mean it will be repeating. Okay, so here we have to write while loop rs, this one rs dot next employee txt employee number. There's a name of that combo box dot add item. It is a default property available in the combo box. Here we are rs get string. We are get string which one you have to load. There are many. All the tables are there. All the table columns are there. Which column you have to load? Okay, I am going to load the employee ID. So we have to put it as one. One mean it is coming as a employee ID. So all the ID should be loaded. That's the thing we have to write. If there is any error, if you have to identify, simply you have to write here J option pan. Then we have to identify the error. Okay, show message dialog. This you have to write this object. Control C to copy. This one indicate as a error. The same thing put it here as well. If there are any problem with the class found exception, what is the error? It will be thrown here. If there are any error on the SQL code, the error should be pass it here inside the catch block. What kind of error you can easily handle. Okay, then we will be able to solve the error. Okay, why I did here is there are many students who comment me I got this error. Okay, when you are searching the record or while adding the record. So how to overcome this problem? How to solve this? You have to put this object and we have to call it. Inside the catch block, we easily identify the error. What kind of error? How to get the solution? Okay, right. Now let's run the program and check how it's work. So if I run it, it won't work because this method. I just Control C to copy. Here this is the name of the class employee. When this form is loaded, the constructor load along with the constructor. So you have to call this method inside the constructor. Control V. Okay. Now let's right click and run file. You can check here. Now here you will be load all the employee numbers, but here this form is not look like a Java. But how to look like Java? Go to the source, If it is not there, you control F, you can get the find box. Okay, so you are right here, you just type UI. This is a UI, I am going to change it as matter. Okay, this is the actual Java look. Okay, okay, there are many students doesn't know how to look like this one. You have to make these changes. Okay, now after that select this one, this form properties code generate center. When the form is loaded, the form should be generate display at the center of the screen. Okay, run file. Here, this is simple one. Okay, very simple code. Now I am going to put the title as well. So how to put the title? Select this form. Here title. I am going to change it as employee. Press enter key. It will be applied. You can change that. See the title over here. Okay. Now what I am going to do is here. If I select the employee ID, so selected employee information will be displayed on the below text boxes. Okay. What is the ID you are selected, according to the employee details should be loaded and display on this below text boxes. So how to do the task? It also very simple. First you have to select the combo box, right click, event. Here you have to change the event item state change. Here you can change the items, right? You have to press enter key. Sorry, you have to select this one. You have, this is the event, you have to write the code. So we already written that code, we no need to return again by again. This code I just copy this one here also and paste it here. Okay, now here this all the things are there same, only we have to change the this name of the combo box. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This also okay. All the table, all information there. Here also the title. Okay, address the title. What you are doing here? Titles. This titles. Here, give the titles. Okay. Not the titles. The title. Right. Now let's execute the program, and I will explain it later. It's working. Here, it's working perfectly well. It's working. Now I am going to explain it. Okay. First you have to register the MySQL drivers. Okay, this is a database path. After that, what is this code? What is the meaning of this code? What's the code? This code will be here. This is the text box name txt employee number. What is the item you are selected here? When you load the employee, when you load this combo box, there are various employee IDs are there, right? So what is the employee you are selected? Okay, so employee ID get selected item dot toString mean it is assigned to the variable ID. Okay, this is your right side to left side, it is assigned. So here we have to write the prepare statement. So select f name, this one should be the first name, title, address, this one we have to write. From which table? Employee table. Where employee ID, this employee ID equal question mark, right? So what's the ID you are selected here? It is assigning here, you are passing here. Okay, so this ID should be go here. Okay, okay, this is the sequence of parameters followed by the sequence of column into the database. So this parameters is followed by this sequence of column, right? But the ID coming here, you are get it here. The relevant information will be loaded. After that, you have to create the result set object. You have to execute the particular query. All the information will be loaded here. After that, you have to write the rs.next equal true, means if the data is available, it will be true. So here rs get string 1 f name. Here we have to write title will be second, address should be third. We have to write like this. So this all the information will be loaded according to the employee number, right? So it is passing to the relevant variable over here, first name, title and address. After that we have to passing to the this all the data should be passing the relevant variables. After that we have to pass into the relevant text fields. Okay, so how to pass it? You have to write text box name, txt name dot set text, the default property. First name should be this. What is the value available? You have to throw it here. What's the title available? Is throw it here. What's the address here? Here it will be throw it here. It will be successfully here display. This is the simple stuff you have to do. Okay. Now again we have to execute and check here. The simple one we have to write. Okay. I hope you guys understood things well. You don't worry about that. This all the source code I provide in my tutors funny website. You will be able to get it. But before you have to just copy and paste your code into your project, you must understand the concept well. Then only you will be able to study JDBC program in Java. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.